everyone. Welcome to Smoky Knife. Today I'll be making super cheesy Peshawari momo with only few ingredients. So let's get started. I have already kneaded the momo dough. For momo dough recipe, check the link in description. We will be needing half cup chopped onions, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half cup sweet corn, 100 grams diced chicken, 3/4 tablespoon red bell peppers, processed cheese half cup, vegetable oil 3 tablespoons, white vinegar 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon and black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. In a bowl, add the diced chicken, sweet corn, onions, bell pepper, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, oil, sugar, salt, vinegar, black pepper powder, grated cheese. Mix everything well. I have already made the momo sheets. You can check out momo sheet recipe link in description. Take one sheet, add 1 teaspoon momo filling and start wrapping the momos. Wrap all the momos before steaming. In a steamer, brush oil to prevent the momos from sticking. Add the momos into it. Steam for 12 minutes. For cheese sauce, we will be needing half cup mozzarella cheese, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, butter 2 tablespoon, flour 2 tablespoon and room temperature milk half cup. In a pan, add butter, add flour and keep stirring to make the white roux. Once the raw smell of flour evaporates, add milk. Remember to add room temperature milk to hot roux or vice versa. Stir continuously to avoid lump formation. Add 1 tablespoon water to lighten the mixture. Add salt, add black pepper powder. Now add mozzarella cheese. Mix well and let the cheese melt. Place the cheese momos on a plate, pour the cheese sauce on top and coat evenly. Add grated mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Now devour this cheesy monster. If you enjoy the video, please like and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our upcoming videos.